Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to teach you how to use SnapTrader to analyze your trading charts. Let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, SnapTrader.ai is the website that you're looking for, and of course what you'll need is a chart. So the first thing we want to go ahead and do is down over here it says analyze a chart, and this is fantastic. It gives you everything that you need to know about a chart. Now there's two ways you can do this. If you're a swing trader or a scalp trader, depending on your trading style, you will have to choose either one of these. Now a swing trader, just in a nutshell, it says here, you can analyze your market patterns and identify high probability swing trade setups that develop over days or weeks. If you are a day trader, you can capture small, quick price movements with precise entries and exit points for maximum efficiency. Now, whichever way you're going, go ahead and choose the option that you'd prefer. For me, scalp trading, and here you are going to select an image or drag an image of a chart over here. Now, in TradingView, this is my choice to use TradingView. You can get your charts from anywhere you'd like. You can go ahead and you can look for a pair that you would like. So let's have a look for gold. You just click on launch chart here. And what you're ultimately looking for is a chart. Okay, and within the chart over here, you'll see 1 day, 5 days, 1 month, 3 months, in 1 hour intervals. What we're looking for here, okay, is let's say 1 day in 1 minute intervals. Right, so this is 1 whole day in 1 minute intervals, and on the top right hand side you can see this take a snapshot, or you can make it full screen. And you can literally use your Windows key on your device and the print screen button. All right. So once you've done this, you will have your screenshots. I'm just going to say download image. There's my screenshot. And let's go back to SnapTrader.ai and let's upload that chart. We have our chart uploaded here. The chart time frame you need to change. So the time frame was in 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 2 minutes. Here on the right hand side, you can see the risk parameters. So you can add in your account balance. Okay, this is how much money you have in your trading account to be able to trade with, your risk percentage per trade, your stop loss points, and your take profit points. And then quite simply, you are going to click on analyze chart. Now, this can take a couple seconds, and once it is done, it will give you a breakdown of this chart. It'll be able to tell you when to enter, when to exit, and so forth. So as you go down here, you'll be able to click on subscribe to see the full analysis. But for now, what you'll be able to see here is the pre-trade setup calculator on the right-hand side. And if you do subscribe, you'll be able to see the full analysis of this actual chart. Something else that SnapTrader does is on the left-hand side, you can see trade reviews. They have a learning tab and a journal, and you can keep everything within SnapTrader so that you can follow your own history and learn from all of the analysis that's been made within the app.